In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up gift cards on Shopify in just a few minutes. Gift cards are a fantastic way to enhance your store's offerings, providing customers with flexible gift-giving options while allowing you to easily track their purchases. So let's dive into the process and get your store ready to offer gift cards. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the My Store section on the left sidebar. It's your control center where you can manage all aspects of your store, from inventory to customer interactions. Clicking this will take you to your store's homepage. Here you'll see various options aligned to enhance your store experience. Next, direct your attention to the Products tab within the main menu on the same sidebar. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the products currently available in your store. This page is essential for managing everything you offer, setting the stage for us to integrate gift cards as a product option. It's essential to have a well-organized product page, as it helps in both inventory, management, and customer satisfaction. Once the products page loads, you should see an option labeled Gift Cards. Click on this to move forward with gift card setup. This section is specifically dedicated to managing and creating your store's gift card offerings. Gift cards serve as both a marketing tool and a revenue booster, encouraging repeat business from returning customers or attracting new ones through gifted merchandise. Now let's set up your first gift card. Click on Create Gift Card. This will open a new page where you can customize your gift card specifics. You'll need to enter a unique gift card code. Shopify can auto-generate these codes for you, ensuring that each one is distinct and secure. Generating codes automatically saves time and avoids human error. After setting up the code, it's time to set the initial value of the gift card. Consider the usual spending habits and needs of your customers when deciding on the amounts. Popular options often range from $25 to $100, but it can vary based on your market and store offerings. You will now decide whether the gift card has an expiration date. If you choose not to set an expiration, click No Expiration Date. This might appeal to customers who want flexibility in using their gift cards. Alternatively, if you want to enforce an expiration, click Set Expiration Date and specify the preferred date. Having an expiration date can encourage quicker usage, which can be aligned with specific marketing campaigns or seasonal promotions. Finally, once you've filled in all the details, review the information to ensure everything is correct, and click Save to finalize your gift card setup. By saving, you activate the gift card for sales, making it available to your customers immediately. And that's it, you've now got gift cards ready for your Shopify store, offering your customers another way to shop easily. Gift cards can be an uncomplicated way to boost sales and attract new customers, as well as increase customer loyalty. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and happy selling.